Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently made an order via the Walmart app, but some items need to be returned. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and open up the Walmart app. And then once you do that, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on Account. Next, you want to click on Purchase History, View All, and then go ahead and find the order in which you want to start a return for. So let's click on this order here from June 18th. Next, you want to click on Start or Return for Refund or Replacement. And then from here, you want to select the item which you want to go ahead and get a refund or replacement for. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start a refund for one of your items on Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.